way on the face this way so he doesn't see it coming, and which way on the face?
Sorry.
Do it from behind.
How about we get him? He's ready. He's all posed, ready to go.
You ready?
We're ready.
We're ready?
We're ready.
And go.
Thank you to the class of 2017. For nominating me for the Life Bucket Challenge. And you got my pants all wet. And agreeing to do this, I made them raise and donate over $200 or more to ALS. And they raised over $230, so I was really proud of them for that. So, because I participated in this, I get to nominate 3 people. Dr. Don Egan, Dr. Bob Lee, and we may just do it right now. And the Optometry School's Dean, Dr. Elizabeth Hopkins.